In this video, I'm going to show you how to add payment method in Google Wallet. So please watch the video until the end and follow this tutorial step by step to avoid making mistakes. So let's get started. So the first thing you want to do is to go open your Google Wallet or Google Pay app. So launch the Google Pay app on your mobile device. Now simply access your payment methods. So once you're logged in, navigate to the payments method section. Now add payment method. So look for an option to add a new payment method. So this may be labeled as add payment method or add card or something similar. Simply choose payment method type. So select the type of payment method you want to add. So this could be credit or debit card or a bank account or another payment method supported by Google Pay. Now simply enter the details for the payment method you're adding. This typically includes the card number, expiration date, security code, and billing address. Now simply verify. So depending on the type of payment method you're adding, you may need to verify ownership or identity. So follow any additional prompts or instructions provided by Google Pay to complete the verification process. Now save. So once you've entered all the required information and verified your payment method, save it to your Google Pay account. So that's it. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.